Ruckus Cloud manages your access points and runs the Wi-Fi. Purple provides the captive portal as a cloud overlay without changing your Ruckus hardware. Purple is a cloud overlay. Ruckus carries the traffic, Purple hosts the portal and owns the data. Ruckus Cloud supports an external captive portal using the WISPr standard, so the same approach applies across vendors. First, configure the third-party captive portal in Ruckus Cloud. Select Purple as the portal provider, choose your portal region, and point the network at the captive portal URL, hosted by Purple. Add the walled garden addresses so the portal can load before sign-in. Second, link the network to your venue. Ruckus Cloud generates an integration key that you add to your Purple venue settings, tying the network to your venue so sign-ins are matched to the right account. The exact configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ai.